This is video 1 of the Operative IQ Narcotics Tracking Program training. In this video we're going to have an introduction to the program, and we're going to teach you how to log in, how to change your password, and how to change your PIN number. In 2012, the City of Vancouver was audited by the state auditor. One aspect of the audit was our narcotics tracking. The audit didn't go as well as we had hoped. We rely heavily on paper moving from one place to another with signatures to document the movement, the use, and the disposal of narcotics. We made some adjustments after the audit to change our workflow, which helped. We looked through the city for various existing programs that would allow us to track the narcotics in an electronic manner. No program with the city was successful in being able to do what we needed it to do. Operative IQ is an asset tracking system that has a narcotics section. We purchased the hosted program and are putting it into service later in March. This program will allow us to track our narcotics by individual vial from the time they're purchased to the time they're used. Each morning, individuals will log into the system and take possession of the narcotics by providing a password and PIN number. These electronic records will be provided to the auditor at the next audit. Now let's take a look at the program. On your desktop is a shortcut marked Operative IQ. Double-click on the shortcut and it brings you to the login page. There are two options for login. One involves a traditional login using a username and password. The other option is a password utilizing a thumbprint or fingerprint scanner. We're using the traditional login. As we go through the program, you'll see several places where it mentions fingerprint scanning. That is a feature that might be used in the future, but we will not be using it currently. Our customer identifier is VanFire. This was created to be consistent with ESO. Your username is the same username you would use to log into your computer. In my case, GetsFridge. For the purposes of this training, I will log in as a fictional user so you can see what the program looks like when it's not in administrative mode. Your password is preset to be the same as your username. Once you've entered the system, you will change the password to one that you can remember and create your own unique 4-digit PIN. Click Log In. Once you've logged in, you'll come to the main page. In the upper left-hand corner is the Vancouver Fire Department logo. It also identifies who is logged into the system, in this case, Wilma Flintstone. In the upper right-hand corner, you have the Operative IQ logo. There is a quick link to the Knowledge Center, which can provide you the user manual for the program if you have any questions. And there is a Logout button that you will hit when you log out of the program. At the first gray bar, on the left-hand side, there are two buttons. One is Home, which will always bring you back to this page. The second is Narcotics. As a user, if you push the Narcotics button, it will give you the option of going to an area called My Control Numbers. We'll discuss that area in a moment. On the second gray bar, on the right-hand side, are two buttons. One says Grant Access, the other says Update Profile. You will not use the Grant Access button. This button simply allows Operative IQ access to our system for training and troubleshooting. Once you've hit the landing page, click the Update Profile. At this point, you can change your password to one that you will remember, and you will create a unique 4-digit PIN that you will use when you're taking possession of, transferring, or documenting the waste of narcotics. The biometric fingerprint is an option, but is not available at this time. And your role is as a user. Change your password as you wish, create your PIN, and click Submit. In our next video, we will discuss how to take possession of narcotics and how to document administration and waste. This concludes video 1 of the Operative IQ Narcotics Program training, an orientation, how to log in, how to change your password, and how to create a PIN number.